What is up, guys? Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And we are looking at how to pronounce the name of one of the most famous estates or wineries in Pomerol on the right bank of the Bordeaux wine region, making a wine that is, of course, Merlot dominant with about 10% Cabernet Franc. This is an estate that is just across the road from Chateau Petrus or Petrus, the famous top Pomerol wine, and just adjacent, so next to Chateau La Fleur, hence somewhat the name Lafleur Petrus, with the typical French pronunciation Lafleur Petrus. But it'd be fine to say Lafleur Petrus, Lafleur Petrus. Typical pronunciation again, Lafleur Petrus, Lafleur Petrus, Lafleur Petrus. If you want to learn more about Bordeaux wines and how to pronounce all the top chateaux and much more, here are videos you should watch next. I will leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir.